today's video is going to be a very interesting and very awesome video that I have prepared for you guys, because it's going to be all the new skincare products that I received during the last couple of months and weeks. And also I'm going to show you guys finally how I clean all my beauty sponges and brushes, and how I actually clean my face, take all my makeup off and everything. Now, as you guys can see, my face is very simple. I don't have my brows done because you just run out and do some things. Was able to do nothing, but I do have like a bit of a heavy foundation powder and all that on my face. So yes, that is going to be it. So I have a bowl in front of me with water, one for my face and one for my brushes. I have all my tools in front of me. So let's go ahead and get started. Now I want you guys to please subscribe to my channel before you start watching, or maybe after you finish watching the video you can go ahead and subscribe to my channel to keep up with more of my videos, which I post every Monday and every Thursday. And also give this video a thumb up if you like these type of videos. Now without further ado and enough rambling, let's go ahead start. Alright you guys, I'm back. So I did zoom you guys a little bit in because right now I'm going to show you guys what I'm going to take off my makeup off with. So first you want to take all your jewelries off. So that's what I'm going to do first. I'm taking all my jewelries off. I have a necklace today on, and also no, I think I will leave my earrings on because they're so little, so it's not a problem. But I am going to clean my face first with a face wipe. So this is what I'm going to clean my face with. And today I'm using the ALOE VERA makeup cleaning. I use this just to put it in so it can be more organized and looking very beautiful. So grabbing one of these, and I'm going to clean my face with this. So first thing first, you open it up and you start cleaning your face, taking all your makeup off. Remember to go always from inside and then outside when cleaning your face. Remember, you use your foundation always all over your neck also, so you gotta clean that part off also. So now you guys can see I have a natural look over here, and I have a very beautiful face with makeup on the other side. So now it's time to switch the wipe to the other side and then start cleaning the other side. That doesn't let your eyes itch and burn, so that's why I always pass it also on my eyes. This is completely done with the wipe. It's time to go wash our face. Now for me, able to wash my face, I gotta switch the bowl of water I have in front of me right here. Gonna put it right in front of me, and today I will be using a e.l.f. face wash. Today I will be using the e.l.f. Daily Face Cleanser. This is very good to clean your face. It helps remove everyday impurities, dirt and makeup. infused with purified water to help hydrate the skin. The direction on this is gently massage into the face, rinse with water and pat dry. Use twice daily. Now, in order for this to clean my face, completely clean the way that I want it, I always have a help tool with me. I'm not going to use only my hand, but I also have this brush which I clean my face with it every time. So right here I have my towel in front of me, so I'm going to open up my towel and put it right where it's very easy for me to work with. It is a huge towel. Oh, just bought this towel, I didn't know it was this huge. So yes, you guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my face first a little bit with the water, and then we're wet. I'm going to apply a little bit of the soap on the brush, and then we're going to clean it up, or doing circular motion. Now that our face is completely clean, it's time to wash everything off. Always have to pat it. Dab it like this. This is the best way, they say, to dry up your face. Now that I'm done cleaning my face completely with soap and water, I'm not done yet fully, completely with the face. So right now is the third part of the makeup remover. I'm going to grab a cotton pad. With a little bit of toner. And today I'm using the Clean Clear Essential Deep Cleaning Toner. So we're going to wet our pad and we're going to pass it all over our face. And this is just to take the rest of the makeup that the soap didn't clean. This helps to clean and deep clean all the rest of your face. So I'm passing this all over my face right now. And it comes out completely clean. Now before we go to the next step, I want to show you guys what I use to clean my brushes. Now I always use the same soap I use to clean my face with it. That's what I use sometimes to clean my sponges and also my brushes. So right here I have the Clean and Clear Morning Burst, and this is the Shine Control Facial Clean. So this is what I clean my sponges and brushes. Also I have this brush cleaning silicone pad with different type of ways that you can clean your brushes. You just put it in your hand like this, and it's very easy to swirl and clean all your brushes. I also bought this makeup brush cleaning spray, but it gets a tendency to get very hot when you're using it because it has so high on alcohol in it, and I don't like the way it smells and leave your brushes, and I find it a little bit dangerous getting that hot. So that's why I don't use this that much. but when you clean it with a facial cleaning soap, it's just bomb. It will smell delicious, it will be soft, and yes, great. So what I'm going to do is I have another bowl, especially for my brushes, which I use every time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this in my hand right here. Going to put this in my hand, and I'm just going to pick one of my brushes. This is a staple brush, and I'm going to apply a little bit of soap right into the thing. And put a good amount of soap and dip the brush into the water, and then I will swirl the brush right like this. Swirl the brush, and my brush will be completely clean when I'm done. What I do is I dip it back into the water and keep swirling it until the brush is completely clean. Now my brush is clean. Now for a bigger brush is also the same technique. I just apply some soap, dip the bigger brush into the water, and swirl it. Now my brush is completely clean. For going for my shadow brushes, I usually pick up like 2 to 3 brushes, put a little bit of soap, like 2 pumps, close them in my fingers like this, dip them in the water, and swirl them. You will clean 3 brushes at the same time. Since the brushes are also made, and I have 3 brushes completely clean. Now for a angle contour brush, this is something different. You will not be swirling this brush. You will be going up and down with the brush. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of soap again. Yes, I know you guys will have to use a lot of soap in this part because brushes need some good clean and you have to wash them. So I will dip the brush into the water and I will go up and down like this with an angle contour brush. You want it to get clean like that. For my sponges, you guys, for my sponges I will have to go and change the water a little bit because sponges get a lot of foundation, a lot of product, so you will have to go ahead and change the water first. So let's go ahead and change the water. I have another bowl in front of me with some new water, and I have this sponge right here, which is the one I'm going to clean up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to wet the sponge. You want your sponge to get big, So remember to squeeze it in the water so it will get big. Squeeze it well and take it off the bowl of water, out of the bowl of water. So this is how big the sponge got. Now what I'm about to do is I'm going to use 4 pumps of soap again, and now I'm going to pass the sponge right inside of it. And I will keep twisting and rubbing the sponge all the areas that it needs to be cleaned up. With our face, you want to put a nice mask on your face to give it all its hydration, vitamins, and everything it needs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply a moisturizer today. So the moisturizer that I'm going to apply today is a oil-free acne moisturizing pink grapefruit. So I want my face to get all the things necessary it needs. So 3 pumps is right the amount of my face, for my face. You're actually good to go for your next makeup for the day. So yes guys, this is it for the video. This is how I clean up my face, take off all my makeup products that I use every single day to clean my face, my skincare routine. I will do a video of a mask. Will be a try out. I got these new products and I can't wait to try this mask. These are bubble masks. One is a detox bubble mask and the other one is a microfiber detox bubbling mask. So I can't wait to try this one. We'll put it on the try and we'll let you guys know how it feels, how is everything and all that. And also I got SELICON charcoal nose strips. So you guys know I have the VERA, which I love so much. It really works. Now it's time to test a came with a charcoal nose pore cleansing strip. So I can't wait to test this one also out. And I will let you guys know very soon in the next video all about these new products. Now I hope you guys did enjoy how I clean my brushes and also my sponges, and also a skincare routine video how I clean my face, take off all my makeup and do all the steps I do every single day. Sometimes I use the moisturizer, sometimes I use night cream. During the day, right now it's still very early to use a night cream. It is 1:50 p.m. so it's time for a moisturizer. So that's why I did use this pink grapefruit moisturizer today. So yes, now it's time for me to go back with my makeup because we have to continue our day. So without further ado, remember to subscribe to my channel. I will link everything below in the comment description box for you guys. If you guys have any other questions, you want to ask tips, you want to know something, please feel free to comment in the box below. And I will see you guys very soon in my next